Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to discuss the other modify commands of AutoCAD like array and offset. So first we will discuss about array command. Basically array means if there is an object and if you want to copy that object at same time for number of times, then you can do with the help of array command. So symbol of array command is like this, and there are three types of array in AutoCAD. First one is the rectangular array, path array, and polar array. So we will discuss it one by one. So for rectangular array, we have to draw an object. So let us consider a rectangle. Now, if you want to do the array of this rectangle, then what you have to do? You have to go it here, then select rectangular array, or you can type rectangular array command RA here in the command line. So I'm selecting it from here. Then AutoCAD will ask you that select object that you want to do the array. So select it, then press enter. So you can see that your rectangle is arrayed, and with the array command this new window get opened in the ribbon area. It is showing you column, row, distance between column and distance between row. Now what you have to do, if you want to do the editing of this array, then what you have to do, if you want to increase the column of the array, then you can edit here. It is right now it is 4 here. If you increase up to 6, then you have to type 6. And if you want to change the number of row, then you can also change the number of row, let it be 6. And if you want to increase or decrease the distance between the column or the row, you can also do it by using this window. So distance in between column, you can decrease or increase. I've opted as 50. So now the distance between the column is 50 units. Similar with the case of row. Now in the case of row, you can increase or decrease the distance. Now I have increased the distance between the row. So in this way, the rectangular array commands works. So if I select this array, then this array completely selected at one time. And if I want to remove that all the array object will select at a time, then I have to use explode command. So by using explode command, this is a symbol of explode, and I can also get it by typing X in the command line. So explode, select object which is to be explored. So this is the object, and press enter. Now you can see that now you can select only one object at a time. So this is how you can break the array by using explode command. Now next is polar array. For the polar array, I am going to draw a circle here like this. Now I want to do the array of this circle about this 360 degree. Now what I have to do, I have to select polar array of PA on the command line, then enter which I want to, select polar array, the select object which we want to do the polar array, then press enter. Now it is asking you that specify the center about which you want to do the polar array. So this is the center about which I want to do the polar array. Now in this way we get the number of copies of this circle about this circle, And if we want to increase or decrease the number of circle, we can using this array window. I can also increase number of row. It is 1 here. Now I can change it to 2. Now you can see that I have increased the number of array. The distance can also be adjusted by editing from here. So in this way, polar array can be used. Next type of array is path array. So for this, I need a path. For example, this is a path along which I want to do the array of this circle. So what I have to do, I have to select path array from this symbol, or I can type PA in the command line. So I am selecting here. Now select the object which is to be arrayed, then press enter. Now select the path about which you want to do the array. This is the path. So in this way, you can do the array of this circle which is present over that path. And you can increase the number of row or levels from this array window. So these are the types of array. That is, this is rectangular array, this is polar array, and this is path array. Now next is offset command. Offset command is used to copy one command with respect to the other line, keeping the same distance. For example, if I want to create concentric circle or parallel lines, so I can use offset command for that purpose. For example, if I have drawn a circle and I want to do the offset of this circle, then how I will do? I will select this symbol, that is the offset symbol, or I can type offset in the command line, then select offset distance. What distance is to be kept in between the concentric circles? So let it be 100. Then press enter. Then the select the object which is to be offset. Then in this way, you can do the offset of this circle by for creating concentric circle. Now again, you want to do the offset of this circle, then you can do this like this. Okay. If you want to do parallel lines, so this is a line, and you want to do offset of this line. You want to do offset of this line, or you want to do parallel. You want to create a parallel line, keeping the distance constant. So for that, go to offset, specify the offset distance. If you, it means the distance which you want to keep in between the two parallel lines. So let it be 50. Enter, select object which is to be offset. So like this. If you want to do again offset, then select a line. So you can draw number of parallel lines or number of concentric circle using this offset command. So this is the way that how we can use the offset command. Thank you so much and have a nice day.